Hi, welcome to Full Opportunities YouTube channel. Just before we start, I would ask you to take a moment so that you can like and share this video. And in case you haven't subscribed, I would ask you to do that soon because I bet you wouldn't like to miss any piece of information and scholarship update from this channel. Now let's start what we have for today. For today it's very interesting. I guess it's more interesting to everybody around there. It's a fellowship program and to my surprise it is fully funded. Yes, we're talking about Facebook Fellowship Program 2021. Now let's see what are the details of this program. The Facebook Fellowship Program is for excellent PhD students who are doing inventive research in the field of computer research and engineering from a recognized university. This program is also for all the PhD students in every year. You will be considered based on your research statement. Facebook is now accepting applications for this fellowship program. The aim of the Facebook Fellowship Program 2020 is to encourage students of PhD studies carrying out research in different fields. Students from a lot of fields are eligible to apply for this fellowship program. Facebook announces so many fully funded opportunities for deserving youth every year. This fellowship program is 100% fully funded and you will get about $37,000 per year and about $5,000 extra. That's too good. So don't miss this amazing opportunity. You can also apply for another program which is Asia Foundation Development Fellowship Program. But what is the thing that makes this program so unique? So for me, the first thing that makes it so unique is the location. I'm in California, USA. I want to go there. Who else not want to go there? Next, the award amount. It's about $42,000 along with coverage of tuition and other fees. That's amazing. And the third most important thing, any person from any nationality is allowed to apply for this program. That's the key. Guys, I need you to apply for this program as soon as possible. But one thing for sure, apply within the given deadline, which is 1st October 2020, and the results will be announced on 1st January 2021. Now let's see what are the specific benefits of this program. The Facebook Fellowship Program will accommodate your tuition fee and others for 2 years. You will receive an award of about $42,000 annually for your living and travel costs for conferences. Facebook Fellowship Program 2020 is 100% fully funded and it covers the price. Obviously, the winner would get that. And what if you are the next one? 2 years of tuition fee, up to $5,000 to support the travel to the conference, exciting one. Funded visit to the headquarters of Facebook for the annual summit. That's the best part. Now let's see what are the available fields from which you belong and you can apply for that. Applied statistics, AR/VR computer graphics, AR/VR photonics and optics, AR/VR privacy and ethics, blockchain and cryptoeconomics, computational social science, computer vision, database systems, distributed systems, economics and computations, and the last, energy efficient video compression. Anyone can apply for this. I mean anyone who belongs to these fields. So guys, buckle up. Now, making it more easy for you guys, I would like to point out the criteria for the applicants. You should at least be a full-time PhD student. You should be enrolled for a course starting in fall 2021. You must be a participant of an ongoing research relevant to your discipline. You must remain a full-time after receiving the scholarship. And the last, if you're already being funded by any Facebook, you cannot apply. Contact academicrelations@fp.com for more clarification. The most important part for any fellowship program or any scholarship program is the documentation. So I would love to dictate you some points. You must attach a research summary of about 500 words that explain your part of research and the connection of that research with this program. Second on, you must also attach 2 letters of recommendation, one of which must be from an academic advisor. You also have to provide reference contact information so that they can receive a corresponding form to submit the letter. But all this within the deadline, which is 1st October 2020. Full Opportunities Network highly encourage any person who is interested to apply in this fellowship program. And if you have any query, you can contact us through email. All the links are given in the description below. Kindly apply for this scholarship as soon as possible. The link is given below in the description. Further on, for any query, for any information regarding scholarship updates, you can also join our WhatsApp group, Facebook page and Insta page. All the links are available in the description below. At last, thank you so much for listening and kindly Like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for listening.